Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials: server, port, username, and whether you will use a password or an SSH key. Install an Sftp client now. Command line Sftp is lightweight, while a GUI like FileZilla shows transfers visually. Once done, verify network access. Ensure firewalls or VPNs permit the Sftp port, typically 22. Make sure your SSH key permissions are secure so the client can read them. Otherwise, authentication will fail, and you will waste time troubleshooting. You now authenticate and enter the server. If using keys, generate them with SSH keygen, copy the public key to /. SSH/ authorized keys on the server and set permissions correctly. Key auth is faster and more secure. Then connect. Run Sftp p22 user at host or fill host, port, and user in your GUI. Once connected, navigate with ls and cd and transfer files with get and put or drag and drop. Pay attention to file permissions and binary verses, text transfer modes to avoid corruption. You finish by confirming success and setting up reliability. Verify file integrity using checksums like SHA-256 sum on both sides. This prevents subtle corruption. For recurring tasks, automate with a script or cron job, using key-based auth so passwords are not needed. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Connection refused usually means wrong port or firewall. Authentication failure often indicates wrong key permissions or missing public key. When stuck, inspect the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.